All right, so today we're talking about boundaries. This is big for my people pleasers out there. This one's specific for you. So a lot of people that start their fitness journey end up failing because they never protect the environment around their goals. You say yes to every obligation. You say yes to every late night. You're saying yes to every distraction, knowing that you have no energy for it. Then you wonder why you have no energy for training, for meal prep, for yourself, for recovery. Body is gonna remember what your schedule is doing to your nervous system. When you constantly are overextending yourself, your recovery is going to suffer. There's no way around it. Don't ever think that boundaries are selfish, because they're definitely not, especially when they're done in a healthy, intentional way. They're going to be your structure. This is gonna end up looking like it, saying no to certain things that wreck your routine, protecting your mornings instead of giving them away. This is a huge one for me. I protect my mornings like it's a valuable piece of treasure. Like it's such a big piece of my own personal journey and how I've seen a lot of success in my life. People who know me know that I'm a huge proponent. I've turned down a lot of close people and close friends so that way I can focus on what's setting me up for success for the day. Not explaining every single healthy choice that you make to people who don't understand it. This is definitely something that I'll still catch myself doing from time to time, especially when I'm real tired. You don't really need to, because it's not for anyone else, it's for you. Also, coming to the realization that people can't have unlimited access to you anymore. Too many people overextend themselves, and it ends up making them feel irritable. They feel burned out. They've got no energy for themselves, and then they wonder why they can't get shit done. Your success 100% depends on it. And when I say that, I don't know how much more serious I can get and how much I mean that. The stronger version you're trying to become is going to require stronger boundaries. Like, if you want to get to where you're trying to go, you need to be putting up boundaries between people. Be mindful of your boundaries, stay vigilant, and peace.